Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. Today we are still working in our breakfast room area. I'm trying to go ahead and decorate this Christmas tree. This Christmas tree, if you remember our last video, I showed you the Christmas ornaments that I made out of the plastic, and I did the paint down inside of them and made them appear to be jadeite. So I'm going to do this Santa Clauses and jadeite. I don't have a lot of those jadeite looking ornaments, but we are going to add them into this. Also, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you do so, I greatly appreciate it. This is my second Christmas on YouTube, and I feel like y'all are getting to see all of my sweet Christmas decor. I did add a few items this year, but not many. So I'm trying to do as much as I can with my existing Christmas decor. Now, a lot of my Christmas decor, my mother has gifted me a ton of antique Christmas decor, and I just added it into my stuff. So, you know, it may look a little odd to you, but to me, it's absolutely perfect. So, that being said, let's get started on this Christmas tree. And I wanted to show y'all something. So, this tree is plugged into one of those plugs that I told you guys, and it's actually in my Amazon storefront. So, these are plugs. I think they come 3 to a pack. They plug into the wall. They plug into the wall. It's just a piece like this. So there's 3 in a pack. You plug your Christmas tree into this right here. You plug this into the wall, and you can turn your trees on with a remote. Best thing ever. I mean, it's a total game changer. When you have as many Christmas trees as I have, and right now I think we have 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th. I'll have 1 in the sunroom and 1 in each bedroom. So we've got a few more trees to go. So I'm going to show you how, if you add lights to your Christmas tree, how you can plug those all into this one piece and have it so you can turn your tree on with a remote. So let's get started. So this is my little extension cord, and I think I can get everything on this if I think right. So I'm going to plug this into here, and then I'll plug my tree into the extension cord. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Now, it does have a button on the front, and you can just mash that button to turn the tree on. Otherwise, you can still do it with the remote. But since I'm standing right here and I don't want to go hunt the remote, I just did it here. So I have 2 more plugs, and I have 2, and I don't think I'm going to have enough. All right, guys. There's several ways to spin a cat, as my grandfather always used to say. I have this plug. I'm going to plug it into the side of this. I'm going to plug my extension cord into this. I know this sounds crazy, but I needed an extra plug for the tree topper, and I'll show y'all why when we get through, okay? Because that'll be the last thing I do. It's so precious, and I do it every year. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. All right, so I plugged it in, and I'm just going to attach my lights. Now, these lights I bought in Pigeon Forge. I buy a lot of my Christmas decor when I go on vacation. Crazy. But that's one thing I love, because you'll get things that you won't get around here. In a small town, it's kind of hard to find things, so that's why I do that. So these are so precious. Let me get one plugged in and y'all can see it. I think I used these in our bedroom last year. Okay, I just stood on my head. So, but I used these last year. I didn't need 3 plugs. I didn't see that. Oh well, it's all good. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add these. Aren't these pretty? They look like the old-timey lights that you used to get. Old-timey lights when I was young that we used to get that look like flames. So that's what I'm gonna add to the Christmas tree. And they have these little clips on it, and I struggle with them, but let's go ahead and put those on.
The Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere. You and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's get snowed in somewhere, you and me.
So now let's work on getting the topper on the tree. This thing is a little tedious. I had to kind of figure out what I needed to do, but I'm just going to get that on top. It straps to the top of the tree. It's actually from Cracker Barrel. They have the coolest decor for Christmas. So y'all, this thing is precious. I'm putting on popcorn garland. This is artificial garland that I purchased from Piper Classics. Now I did have to put two garland pieces on there. However, one of them is from Hobby Lobby and then the other is from Piper Classics.
In the quiet evening, snow is falling, and from every window shines a light. Somewhere in the distance, drums are calling, but no one heeds their call tonight. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true. As I walk through the streets of my old hometown, I hear sleigh bells ringing in the air. There are Christmas decorations all around. Tonight love and peace are everywhere. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true. You are bright and golden. Let it snow, let it snow. Bright and gold. Christmas.